Hello everyone, my name is Aruhi and welcome to my channel. So guys, in my today's video, we'll learn about agentic AI. So the AI which we use mostly today is called traditional AI. It's all around us, like the chatbot that answer our questions or robots that build products, right? So traditional AI is all around us, and traditional AI had made many jobs faster and easier. But there is something which is missing in these systems. So let's take a closer look at few examples to understand what is missing in traditional AI systems. So first example is, suppose you have a spam email filter that sorts all the incoming emails into spam or inbox folder. Okay. So in traditional AI systems, we always write program. For every task, we write program or we use some algorithm for that specific task. And let's say for this filter, for this spam classification filter, we designed a program to classify emails as spam or valid or real, right? So the filter works by scanning the content of each email for keywords, patterns, or some certain characteristics, like if there is a suspicious link. Okay. So based on this, the email is classified as spam or valid. But here's the problem. What happens if a new type of spam email occurs? One that does not match the following pattern or use the same keywords, right? So here in this scenario, our spam filter, which we have developed using traditional AI, might fail to detect it. So this is what missing in traditional AI systems. The ability to adapt and to recognize new unknown scenarios on their own. So this is what is missing in traditional AI system. Now, what do we do in this situation? So unfortunately, traditional AI has no answers unless we manually update it. Means you have to update the spam classifier for this particular scenario, and then in future it can detect. But without manual intervention, your model cannot handle the unknown scenarios. Now let's look at another example, a customer support chatbot which is designed to respond to frequently asked questions or basic customer service queries. So traditional AI chatbots, again, we trained it because this is a traditional AI chatbot. So for specific task, we trained the model. So we have a chatbot which is programmed with a set of rules for answering specific questions like what are your business hours or how do I return an item, right? Now, what happens if a customer asks a question which is outside of these predefined rules? For example, customer asked, can you recommend a product for me? Or how do I fix this unique issue I'm having? So in these scenarios, in this case, the chatbot can't handle this kind of query. This is complex and out of the box query for our chatbot, for traditional AI chatbot, right? So it will either provide a generic answer or it will direct the customer to the human agent, right? So this is what it can do. Or other thing is, you can manually train the chatbot for this kind of query, and then in future conversations it can handle this kind of question. But every time when something new will come, a new unknown scenario will come, your chatbot or your traditional AI system can't handle it. So this is the limitation of traditional AI. It cannot adapt to new situation or learn from interactions without human input. So in short, we can say that traditional AI systems are very helpful, but they have a limit. They can't adjust to new or unexpected situations. Every time they face something they haven't been trained for, they need to be updated by a person. Now we have learned how traditional AI is limited by its rule and programming. Now let's take a look at agentic AI. Agentic AI is a new kind of AI that can adapt, learn, and make decisions on its own. With agentic AI, systems are not just following instructions, they can think for themselves, they can make decisions based on real-time data, and they can even learn from the user interactions. So this means agentic AI is capable of handling unexpected scenarios, and it can adapt to new information without the need for constant updates from human. So let's understand this with example. I'll show you a few examples so that you can differentiate between traditional AI systems and the agentic AI system. So let's take an example. Let's say we have a shopping recommendation system. So this example I'm going to take, I'll explain you the same example, how this example work with traditional AI, and the same example how it will work with the agentic AI. Okay, so suppose there is a company and they have a recommendation engine, and that recommendation engine is built using traditional AI. So a regular recommendation engine means the recommendation engine which is developed using traditional AI will suggest product based on what you have bought or looked at in the past. It recommends similar items, but it does not change much if your shopping habits suddenly shift. How agentic AI works? Now let's see that. Agentic AI goes a step further. It looks at real-time factors like current discounts, limited time sales, and the stock availability. So it also tracks your shopping habits over time, and it adjusts the suggestion to fit your current needs. So let's say you're a new mom. Before you shopped on Amazon or Mantra or any other shopping site for things like clothes, accessories, and beauty products, right? But recently you have started buying things for your baby like baby clothes, diapers, or toys. Agentic AI would notice this change, and it will automatically update its recommendation to match your new shopping focus. So Amazon, they use agentic AI to provide us personalized shopping experience. Okay, so instead of showing clothes for yourself, it would recommend you baby related items like this cribs or baby skincare products or toys. Agentic AI works with real-time data also. For example, agentic AI can also send you notifications about time sensitive deals, like there is a flash sale on baby gear, or it can warn you if the item which is there in your cart is running low on stock, or let's say if that item is close to its expiration date, right? So this kind of time sensitive data, agentic AI works on that also. So for example, if you add a baby formula to your cart, and it might notify you if the price drops or if the fresh stock become available, right? So with agentic AI you get a shopping experience that is dynamic, personalized, and adaptive. Now let's take another example, autonomous vehicles, right? So Tesla self-driving cars are powered by agentic AI that constantly learn and adapt to new conditions. So these vehicles don't just follow the pre-programmed rules, they make real-time decisions based on the current road conditions or traffic or the cars surrounding. So for example, if Tesla's AI detect that the traffic is congested or a road is closed, then it will reroute the vehicle autonomously. It will also adjust its driving strategy to ensure that the car reaches its destination safely and efficiently. So, and another example is Netflix and Spotify. They both use agentic AI to provide us personalized recommendation based not just on our past viewing or listening habits, but also on real-time factors like your mood, time of the day, and the current activity. For example, let's say you have been watching action movies, but one evening you switch to documentaries about the nature. Then agentic AI would immediately detect this change in your preference, and it will adjust the recommendations for you, and it will start suggesting you more nature documentaries or similar educational content. So this is what agentic AI is, and I hope this video is helpful. And guys, if you like my content, please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.